Hey everybody, this is Jason with Classic Touch Floor Care, and I'm going to show you what we got going today. A screen and recoat. Actually, it's a clean and screen and recoat. The homeowner had some product that they tried and unfortunately left a residue on the floor, so we're going to clean that off. And then they wanted to go ahead with the screen and recoat, where we're going to very lightly screen using a sanding screen the top layer of the polyurethane, and that's going to just abrade it enough that we can put a fresh coat of polyurethane over the top that will protect it for many years to come. 5 to 7 years depending on your traffic, but it's going to make it look brand new, like a brand new finish, and you can see some of the residue that's on here. But this is what we've got here, this downstairs area here. Step one, we're gonna do the cleaning, and then we're gonna get on with the screening and the recoating. So stay tuned. All right, so we got the floor all screened and got it vacuumed. Just gotta do the tacking process here, and then we're gonna start rolling it out. Everything looks good. It's gonna look amazing, and can't wait to see it. This is all connected, so it's just gonna start at the window and work all the way back around and work back here, and then just back myself right out the garage door there. Yeah, it came out really good. Very, very clean, beautiful floors. Looking at that right there, wow. Very nice.